Okay. Come on in. As we enter, we have a fireplace to the left, and we have our living room to the right, which has really high ceilings, but we'll get to that in a little bit. I'm going to bring you on through to the breakfast nook and the gourmet kitchen, and straight out to my favorite part, which is the outdoor area, where there's a pool and a swim spa, which you rarely see in Venice. Built-in barbecue and a table for your friends to come over and grill out. Nice landscape out here too. Come on in and we'll head on over to the gourmet kitchen. Kitchen has been completely redone. Sub-Zero refrigerator, all Wolfe appliances, top of the line with the cobalt blue interiors. Just about everything you need for a kitchen. Over here we have a wine cooler and a beverage cooler in our bar area, which is awfully nice for entertaining. And plenty of cabinetry for glasses and wine glasses. And over to this side we have a walk-in pantry. We'll come on into our living room, which has a nice light installation. The really high ceilings, I guess they go up 3 feet, 3 floors actually. Super nice. It's also, I might add, it's really nice and bright in here. On this level we have a guest bath and a 2-car garage off the alley. We have 2 bedrooms, bathroom, and a laundry room. The 1 bedroom right now is being occupied as a office, but it could be turned back into a bedroom as well. Laundry room, complete with sink. And then we have our guest bath over here, which is a shower tub combo. So walk through to the master. We have a den to the left, a reading den. And then the breezeway overlooks the living room, which is really cool. And then on into the master. It's a good sized room. We have a king size bed, walk-in closet, little balcony off the bedroom. And the bathroom in this master is really great. It has a soaking tub, and the shower is also a steam shower. It's really a good size, with a separate toilet area as well. Upstairs to the best part of the house, which is the upper deck that overlooks the Venice Canals. Follow me. Here we have a little reading nook, or it could be another little office area if you needed it to be, on your way out to the outdoor deck, which you can see is quite sizable, and it's complete with a fire pit, a sink, and refrigerator for your entertainment needs. Deck up here, you can overlook the Venice Canals, and you're only 4 blocks from the beach and just a hop, skip, and a jump from Abbot Kinney.